So this is a 320 cat excavator. So just like the smaller ones, you got your release button here. Pull it down, it releases all the handles. Pull this one up, release it, pulls it up, push it to the right, it goes down, tilts it to the left, tilts up. This one spins the whole basket around. So push it to the left, push it to the right, pull it up, brings it to you, push it down, pushes away from you. So how to operate the attachment. This little nub right here, pull up and down, and operate the attachment. And pretty much that's self-explanatory. You still got the rabbit and turtle speed, how to idle it up, power on, power off, music. Then you got your gears. You got your forward and reverse. So let's see what position this is facing, so we know which way we're going. So we pull it back, it goes backwards, so it's in the correct position. So you pull it back. You got a camera to show what's behind you and everything like that. Cameras is pretty decent. So we got something behind us we gotta figure out. Get around it real quick. Let's spin around. So we got a little crater right here. So we're gonna go backwards. Shift our body around. And go forward. Around one more time. Pull them in the opposite direction, you can just spin the whole unit around and pivot in place. Let's go for it. Let's give it a little more speed. Go. back around. So we go forward up the bed. We're gonna lower our speed down just a tad to make sure we're centered. Get closer up, and then we're gonna drop our speed down. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna lower our speed down. We're gonna make sure we're centered. See, I try to keep the center of the tracks over my keyhole securements. Usually that gives me the best centered position. Alright. Now we're going to spin it around. Go slowly. Go slowly. So you don't make no crazy certain jerk moves to flip yourself off your truck. This still is a 52,000 pound machine, so alright, so we're gonna bring our hammer in. Usually I have to tuck my hammer into the bed. For securement. So I can get it real low. Cool. Alright, now we're all the way down. And we can shut it down. So, securement made easy. Take your chain, put it in the track. There's several ways to chain down an excavator, 320 excavators. So they got little keyholes up here as well. You can put your chain in and bring the chain all the way around, or you can go straight to the tracks. Before I didn't do this because I wasn't comfortable with the transport yet. Now as I won't say I get relaxed. I'm saying I got comfortable and know how to maneuver, secure, and making sure this on the bed correctly. So you can chain directly to the tracks. So pretty much your chain goes here into the hoop, push against this, go onto your binder to your platform, or your bed to your trailer, take excess chain, throw it around. The same thing with the back. Sometimes you also can take the binder and go directly to your tracks. It all depends on how close you are. It's like mine is, I'm close enough, but I don't want to try it. I don't want to put that much pressure on it. So I just go with a chain directly to the tracks. Chain, throw it around a little bit. Boom. Gotta close that door. So, matter of fact, I use this one. So we still need one more chain to go over the hammer. So I'll do the same thing that you did on the other side, to the same position and the same height, so you give it the same proper tension. Remember, never put it on the well side. Chain around. And one more time. Make sure you put your, try to put it in the same spot. What you're doing on the other side, make sure you're always doing the next side. Go. Go. Access chain. Throw it around so it won't fall on the roadway or nothing like that. I'm good to go. Now we just gotta get one more chain for the hammer. So, excavator, you need 4 binders, 4 chain setup, and 1 over the attachment if you have one. Go back to that side, so that way we get our flags out and put out flags and overweight signs out. But so like I was saying, try to keep this directly centered on your keyhole. That's what I normally do. It hasn't failed me yet. So everybody will learn their own little nicks and trends of doing it. But that has helped me so far. Go. And we all done. Let's get our signs out. We hit the road.